Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent movements for Bitcoin and altcoins. My trades are pumping here massively, which is quite nice. You can see here many of the altcoin trades turned profitable today, so that's definitely very good news after the interest rate cut. That's going to bring some fresh liquidity into the financial markets. That's definitely quite amazing. We can see here just XLM needs to recover, and besides that, all of the other trades are massively in the profits here. We can see here everything besides XLM is in the profits right now, so that's quite amazing. Bitcoin sitting above $117,000. We are basically on the verge of a breakout here. We still have a little bit of resistance here we have to go through. We can see it here, and after the next price target would be the new all-time high at up around $125,000. So we can see here we have to go above this resistance here at around 124, and after we will go for higher highs and also into price discovery mode for Bitcoin. So I think Bitcoin will probably still go to the price target of this inverse head and shoulders here. It's at around $142,000. That's still on the table. I think if they cut the rates more in the next upcoming months, we can even go higher, like 200,000, maybe 250, 300,000 also. Not unlikely for Bitcoin. As we know, Bitcoin last bull market, it, let's say, went from $4,000 to $60,000 almost at around the previous bull market all-time high. So we did around 12x. Let's say this bull market low or this cycle's low was at around 15k. Let's say we will do maybe just 10k, 10x from there. That would be at around $150,000 for Bitcoin, but it can be even more. So let's see how that will play out. Now, the question is, where can we find support here in case we want to open some new trades? I would say I would wait for this breakout, guys. Once we break out here and we confirm it with volume, then I would open a trade here at around 117k. That's a very nice zone. If not, I will wait for this price here. Let's see, around 112. But I think it's quite unlikely that we will go there because there's so much good news coming out right now. There was like the Donald Trump statue with the Bitcoin in front of the Capitol. The SEC is clearing the path for tokenized stocks and much more. So many good news. Now the question is, what are we gonna do with our trades here? You can see massively in the profits all of these trades. Will I take profits now? I will still wait. I think there is a big bull run just around the corner, guys. So that's why I'm still waiting for higher price targets for all of these positions. We can see many of them are already quite nicely in the profits, but I'm still waiting for my price targets. I think Solana will probably go to $500, $600 in the next 2 months. I think Sui will do also probably very well, will go above $5 quite certainty, and Link as well probably above $30 in the next upcoming month. So we have a lot of altcoins here that have a lot of potential. And VeChain, guys, VeChain, I've been talking about VeChain since it was just 2 cents. Now we're sitting at 2.5 cents. So we already did around 25% in profits. You remember we had this bottom formation here, a double bottom, and now we are consolidating and building pressure right here. My price target is definitely somewhere around the 8 cents. We can see here we were in December at 8 cents. This is just around 9 months ago. So I definitely think it's possible for VeChain to go back there. The all-time high for VeChain was actually around 20 cents. So if it goes back there, we can even make a 10x with VeChain, and with a little bit of leverage, that can be really life-changing money for most of the people out there. So I'm still long on VeChain. I'm actually looking for new entry points. So let's see where it might be a smart decision to add some more. Let's see. I would wait for the breakout, and then I will probably add something on support. Right now, many altcoins are literally on the verge of a breakout, but we can see here we are not overbought yet on the daily, so we still can go higher. Let's check out the 4 hourly. On the 4 hour, we are also not overbought yet, so we still have some room to grow here for VeChain. Let's actually look a little bit at Ethereum, because Ethereum is the main mover for the altcoins. Now sitting at around $4,600. We are basically just going above $4,600 in this second. And next price target, we have to go here above the 4,800, and after we will go into price discovery mode. We had a little bit of a consolidation phase right here, building pressure and getting ready for a breakout to the upside for Ethereum. My price target for Ethereum is definitely around here, $5,600, and after that I will think we can even go higher. This parabol curve here will probably continue, and we can even go to like $7,000, $8,000 or $9,000 for Ethereum. That's definitely on the table. Now the question is, will I take some profits on my Ethereum trade? Not yet. I'm still waiting for higher price targets. I could have took already profits if I wanted here. I already took some profits way before, and then I scaled them back in. Now I think it's the time to stay patient and not fumble your positions. That's why I'm keeping all of these positions open. You can see I have 12 altcoins positions open in all of the sectors of crypto, basically. So I'm quite spread around all the sectors. I'm quite happy with all of these positions. Now that they are back in the green, I'm even more happy with them. So congratulations to all of you. We opened all of these positions live with you here on this channel in my daily videos. So if you have been watching, you are probably already massively in the profit. So congratulations to all of you. You can take some profits and enjoy life, spend some time with your loved ones, go on a vacation, whatever you feel like. Now, if you want to trade like you see me do and make this type of gains, I would recommend you look into technical analysis. Technical analysis can help you in many different ways. You can analyze markets and predict future prices. And if you want to trade like you see me do here on the Weeks platform, you can grab up to $30,000 bonus in the description down below. Check it out. Take advantage of this opportunity. It is an exclusive offer for the Mario decentralized family. So check it out. Click the link in the description, open an account, and you can also get a 20% deposit bonus. Let's say you deposit $100,000, you can get up to $20,000 in trading bonus that you can use to open positions, so which is quite amazing. Now, this was it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye.